Hello everyone! In today's video, I want to portray some very important ideas to create your own life master plan. I'm a big fan of creating systems and creating goals to achieve the things you want in life, and I think that everyone, independently of your age, should create a master plan. A master plan is simply a streamlined version of the things you want to achieve in life and the baby steps you need to take in order to get there. Your master plan can be drafted in order to plan a future career, a side hustle, a secret project, and so on. It really depends on whatever you want to do and whatever you want to achieve in life. The goal of a master plan is to give you direction and show you that dreams can be possible if you have a plan and you outline all the steps you need to take to get there. Although you cannot predict life to the smallest detail, I'm a firm believer that having a plan holds you accountable for your steps, for your choices, and for the things you decide to do. Depending on the subject of your master plan, there are different questions you can ask yourself. The master plan I created for myself is about my career and the way I intertwine my career with my hobbies and my passions. In my case, the questions I had to answer in my master plan were the following. First of all, I had to decide what I valued in life. These could comprise of hobbies, my family life, my career, and so on. I also included all the activities and hobbies I enjoyed doing and, in a way, things that I did not want to stop doing in life independently of the career path I wanted to pursue. My master plan also has a section for my weaknesses and strengths. In this case, these are weaknesses and strengths related to a career. Things like being able to work as a team, to be independent in your research and your work are things you need to consider in order to understand whether you have certain characteristics that are very apt or able for a certain field of work and not for others. In my master plan, I also established my dream job. Despite the theme of your plan, it's very important to go wild in here. This is your ultimate goal and the thing you are striving to do. Your goal is to create direction and action for you to get there. Other important questions you should ask yourself are: what other jobs related to your field of work would you hate having, and what other jobs you wouldn't mind having? Having this in mind creates a timeline. You know that in order to achieve your dream goal or something as near as you can from your dream goal, you need to have something in between so you can put food on the table. However, I also believe that you should never work a job that you really hate or you are just not meant to do. That's why it's really important to find some other jobs that can fill that gap of time between your current situation and the dream job you want to have. Also, it's really important to create your action plan. Your action plan should comprise of the baby steps you need to get to your dream job. This should include any kind of special education you don't have and you have to enroll in, as well as other secondary skills or language skills. After establishing that, you should also create a pathway between those special requirements and the requirements for your in-between jobs. It's really important to look at timestamps here and understand what you can do with different activities in your life and what you should compromise and what you shouldn't. My master plan also has a kind of workflow for me to understand how I can keep my activities and hobbies while I'm pursuing that dream job. Things like language learning or programming skills can be easily incorporated into a busy schedule if you have the discipline to do it and you just schedule the time to learn those things. However, it's easier to establish those things and that workflow beforehand so you do not get any surprises when you start working full-time. Remember that your master plan should evolve with you and you should definitely look at it every single day to understand if that's the direction you are looking forward to. There's no point in creating a master or life plan if you suddenly change your mind and you understand you need to pursue something else. Always be mindful of your decisions and the direction you want to take in life, because there's nothing worse than being caught in other people's expectations and also in the expectations you have of yourself and of your own life. While it's important to manage your own expectations with your current situation and understand how you can get to your dreams without creating an irresponsible situation in your life, it's also very important to keep yourself accountable with a plan, to review it as often as you can, and to be free to change things if you're not happy with your current plan or the current result or goals you have outlined in your plan. If learning more is part of your dream job or your dream life, then you love today's sponsor, CuriosityStream, a subscription streaming service that offers over 2,000 documentaries and non-fiction titles from some of the world's best filmmakers, including exclusive originals. The content spans science, nature, history, technology, lifestyle, and so on. I'm currently complementing my pre-classical history class by watching Scanning the Pyramids. If you want to watch this documentary or any other from their collection, it's available worldwide on many platforms. You can get unlimited access starting at just $2.99 a month, and you can go to curiositystream.com/studycorner for unlimited access to the world's top documentaries and non-fiction series. And for our subscribers, you can enter the promo code StudyCorner when prompted during the sign-up process, and your membership is completely free for the first 30 days. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next week. Bye!